Hello, Namaste, and welcome back to my channel. This is Neeraj here once again, and also wish you all a very happy Women's International Day. Wish all the women a very happy Women's International Day, and I would like to congratulate women on this day, to all the subscribers, all the viewers, and all the women in the world. And they are the most important the creation in the world, because without that I won't be here making video, or neither any of us would be here in this world. So that's a tribute to my, and also as far as the financial market, or what you call money investment is concerned, that is also represented by Venus or Lakshmi Mata, as you know, that goddess Lakshmi. So also it's my humble request to everyone that one should respect and love women, irrespective of whatever it is that. So that's my one message on this day. And without wasting much time, in today's video I would like to talk about leverage, or leverage from a different perspective, in the sense that when we talk that the highly debt or highly leveraged companies are bad, or they are at a risk when the things are not good, and one should look for the cash rich companies or the debt free companies. But here I would like to give a different perspective on that. So it's a different, unique perspective. So before starting this video, I would request all these viewers, those or everybody who has not yet subscribed to my channel, you please subscribe to my channel, Financial Market Analysis Twist by Neeraj Shah, and share the videos, and put a like if you like it. And also just a reminder that, as I had announced a few weeks before, and I have come out with a premium video on a very unique stock idea, multi-bagger stock idea, which I have not yet discussed in the forum here anywhere till now. So it's a unique concept, it's a unique multi-bagger stock idea, and if anyone is interested, as I have told you, that my contact details, my email details are given in the description box down below. It is Neeraj, Niraj @steelanalyst.com. You can send a request asking for that video, and it's chargeable. It's a premium service, so it's 1,000 rupees per video, or $20. Whatever, if you are outside, you can transfer $20. I will share my bank account details on request on my email, and once you have paid that money, and that video will be available to you, that link I will be sending you personally. So that's how it will work for that particular stock specific idea. So it's just a reminder that if anyone is interested, you please contact me. Any case, so what leverage does is that we always talk about that in the leverage is bad, and highly debt rich companies, one should look at the cash rich companies, or the kind of a debt or very low debt or debt free companies kind of. But I have, in this particular point of time, see, everything in stock market is relative, and on that particular point of time, because it's a dynamic market, it keeps on, things keep on changing, and the views and the concepts also, what is today happening, it may be irrelevant in the future, or it may be out of fashion in the future, or what was in the past, it may be irrelevant in the present. So that's why we have to constantly come out with churn out with the ideas and the unique concepts which is relevant to the time. So what I am trying to tell is that if in today's context, where the commodity prices are very high, the demand, and because of the pent up demand, because of the COVID things, the things are moving, coming back to the normal very fast, and that is what it is driving the demand also. And supply constraints are still there because of this COVID pandemic, and again the second wave and third wave, and still there is a kind of in different regions, so that is why the supply is not catching up with the demand, and that is what it is keeping the commodity prices continuously it's rising. So in such times, so I'm talking about only in these times when the business or the prices are high and business is doing good, so you can see that those companies which are leveraged would be, means what do you call that, high beta, that would become the high beta stocks, in the sense that if it is a pairing of the stocks, means pairing idea, then we can say that it is if you have two stocks in the same space, same category, same business. So in today's context, where the commodity prices are high, demand is high, prices are going to remain high, which is we believe business is doing fantastically well. That time you should look at the companies which is leveraged or more leveraged as compared to the other company which is relatively debt free or cash rich. Why? So just to give you an example, is that pairing of idea. This is I am giving you the pairing pair trades. Pair trade idea. So just to say an example, take Godavari Power. Their debt is around 1630 crores or 16.3 billion rupees. Okay, 1630 crores of rupees is the debt. And look at Sharda Energy, which are both in the same region, similar kind of business, almost similar kind of capacity in sponge iron and iron ore, everything is similar. It has relatively less debt, or 1470 crores, Sharda Energy, or 14.7 billion rupees of debt. Now, if you look at this, we prefer Godavari in particular context in present times. Why? As I keep on telling the Godavari, I never pushed literally that compared to the Sharda, the Godavari, because if the leverage is high, it may be a problem when the commodity cycle is down and prices are gone. That time it may be a huge problem for this company. But when the commodity prices are at all-time high, continue to remain high, and it will remain high because the supply disruption is continuing to be there. It's not going to come back very easily because of the COVID restrictions, and always some lockdown or some kind of restriction is still there, and it's not yet coming back to the normal. It will still take a lot of time, maybe at least a year and a half to come back to the normal for the production to happen. So that is why we prefer this Godavari with the high leverage. Why? Because what it will do is that when the prices are high, they are all making very good money. So they will be able to very easily service that debt. And what it will happen is that most of this debt will be in the range of say 9 to 10% of their interest cost. So that with the 9 to 10%, you get also the tax benefits, right? Because it is deducted from the taxable income. Okay, so ultimately, by paying 9 to 10% of the interest cost, you are saving on the tax. So your of say 25% also of the average tax rate is say 25%. So you are definitely saving 16% to 15% on that PAT basis, on the profit basis. So that itself boosts EPS of this particular company by that much amount. You understand? So this is the leveraged pair trade, what I said. So I just gave you example of Godavari in the same way. So this is highly relevant for the commodity companies, particularly materials company like capital intensive industries like say steel industry, metal industries, cement industry, say power I will not say, but infrastructure industries. Okay, so which is highly leveraged and which are the commoditized companies, okay, which deals into the commodity, which are the commodity producers. So in that you can have this kind of pair trades. This is the unique idea I am giving. So you look at, say just to give another example is that between JSW Steel and Tata Steel, JSW Steel has around 49,000 crores of debt. Okay, net debt, I am talking about net debt. So it's 490 billion or 500 billion rupees of net debt. And compared to the Tata Steel, and we are talking about consolidated, we are not talking about standalone India only. So all this debt we are considering into all their companies' debt together, whichever their subsidiaries and associates and joint venture companies. So it's on a consolidated basis. Tata's have 1,05,800 crores of debt, 105,789 crores. So it's like 1,060 billion rupees of debt. So in today's context, when the commodity prices are all-time high, doing very well, businesses are doing well, profits are booming, this is the time the Tata Steel will, in my opinion, would do relatively stock-wise performance better than JSW. If you'll see this, if this cycle continues like this way, because of this highly leverage, so they will also have that that tax benefit because of the payment of the interest cost. That much is deductible from the tax. So your EPS is boosted by that much of the tax benefits. So in the same way, if you look at say Vedanta and Hindalco, right? So Vedanta also, why it is flying high? Because of this leveraged. So compared to that, those companies which are having less leverage or less debt, they will not be, so it's kind of a high beta kind of, that with leverage, it becomes more high beta and more high beta. So in such times, it can go up also very fast, it can, fall also very fast. So this is the pair trade idea which I wanted to give you, and this is a concept which I wanted to share with you, that you can look into this kind of a leverage companies where it is not a bad thing in today's current context, as long as these commodity prices remain high and demand is there, and the supply disruption because of this COVID and other things is still not yet coming back to normal. You can look at this idea. And in case, as I told you, if you want some stock specific, I have already released a premium video on one multi-bagger stock, which you can get the access by paying 1,000 rupees only, and you can send me mail and I will share you the bank details. That's it from myself, and I'll see you once again from Moscow. This is Neeraj here. Ciao, and see you with some more unique ideas regarding some other concept.